ओम शांति दीदी।
Shanti Didi, welcome to Om Manjali.
ओम शांति। ओम मंडी में आपका स्वागत है दीदी। तो दीदी हम आगे बढ़ाते हुए आप कल हमसे हमारे साथ शेयर कर रहे थे एक तो
We'll
2000 की
continue on our journey.
बातें, ट्विन टावर्स की
Especially yesterday, you were
बातें,
talking
विवेकानंद सेंटर की
about the year
आपने
2000 and
अच्छी
2001, about the
सुनाई।
Twin
थैंक यू।
Towers,
कैसे बाबा का
Manhattan, and Twin
वरदान था
Towers,
कि कैसे
and about
बाबा
the
के
Manhattan Center, how
स्थान
because
बने
of how
और
Baba's
कैसे
places
कैसे
were
कहाँ कहाँ से
started,
आत्माएं निमित्त बनी।
from where
तो आगे
souls become
दीदी
instrumental
2000
for
से
making
लेकर
their
के
fortune in
2020 तक
creating.
में
So
बहुत
from
सेवा की विस्तृति
2001 and
हुई। कई
2020,
बहुत
a
बड़ा
lot of
परिवर्तन
service
भी आया
expansion
यज्ञ
has
में,
happened,
और वो है
and a
हमारे
huge
दादी प्रकाश मणि जी
transformation
के अवस्थ में।
happened.
तो
Transformation
अभी
also
हम
happened
थोड़ा
in the
सा आज
yajna. That is
आपसे
about
दादी के
regarding
बारे में
Dadi
सुनना
Prakash Mani
चाहेंगे।
ji. So today we would
दादी
like to
प्रकाश
listen
मणि
from
जी
you
की
about Dadi Prakash Mani ji,
संपूर्ण स्थिति, अव्यक्त स्थिति,
how
संपन्न
she reached
स्थिति
her,
कैसे आपने अनुभव की और
how
कैसे
you
दादी ने
experienced.
बाबा
Um,
के पास बाल
how did
समाज
you
स्मृति को
experience
प्राप्त किया
Dadi reaching
और
her
फिर यज्ञ में
completion,
भी
full
फिर आगे
stage,
कैसे
and
बढ़ा।
how the Yagya moved forward even after she became a Vyakt? Dadi Prakash Mani ji was based in Madhuban and Dadi Janki was in London. She took care of all the activities of the international and foreign to sustain the brothers and sisters in the foreign lands. Dadi Janki was doing that, and twice a year she would come to Madhuban. And whatever task was there, it was initially Didi Manmohini and Dadi Prakash Mani would take care of, and they would all say it is one soul and two bodies. The love that they had among each other, like even when Dadi Janki came, many people would go to Dadi Janki, say, Dadi, what is your opinion regarding this? And then they would go to Dadi Prakash Mani regarding the same thing. What is your opinion regarding this? Dadi said this. So the other Dadi said, whatever the Dadi said is accurate, though she would not know what it is. So there was united from the higher authorities till down, and it had an impact on the yajna. Even till today, how they, people talk, how did they move along with so much of respect and so much of love? They are such an example. The and the bestest example is how Bab Dada, even in a very small space, they were sharing spaces. So Dadi Prakash Mani ji, she always stayed light and happy. She brought everyone into zeal and enthusiasm. Very social. It was an embodiment of love. She, even if somebody made a mistake anytime, with a lot of love, she would give so much love to them that they become okay and they also shouldn't feel guilty. So if they feel guilty, then they will move away. And if they continue to do the mistake, that is also not right. So she used to share very beautiful methods with us, how the administration of the yajna was done, whether it was the kitchen department, whether it was the Toli department, and how the administration of Shantivan was taking place. So from Mount Abu, she came down to Shantivan. Dadi cottage was constructed initially, and she started to stay there. And right across was Tapasya Dham was made. Baba's room was created there. And when Dadi's health started to soften a little, and all the doctors who were there We also have a hospital in Bombay, and Ashok Mehta was instrumental there. We understood the reason for it, but we were not able to rectify it. And very slowly, Dadi started to stay very quiet. We would go the night times to meet her. Dadi would sing a song, and we all together we would sing a song, read Murli. We really enjoyed a lot with Dadi in the last days. In the cottage, we would go in the night and we'd all sit together. And it went on for a while like that. They took her to Bombay, and there came a point. Daddies always had this thought that they should leave their body in Madhuban. Dadi Janki also you've heard. She said, take me to Madhuban. Though there was better facilities in Bombay, she said, well, it is done. Whatever the doctors could do, they could do. Now let's go to the supreme doctor. We also were called. Dadi Janki, she would never say that leave everything and come. But in the end, we reached. When she had already left the body, we were in the flight. We were in the airport. We found out that she had left the body. Sister Bhumi also was there. Gayatri Ben was there. Dolly Ben was there. There was a good group. Kala Ben was there. All of them together they left. Then Baba became up here. That scene was very unique because Dadi personality was such, and now the president of the prime minister of the current prime minister of India was also had come, and the funeral had happened at Dadi Prakash Mani Stham. Many people had come, and the procession that happened, that was a long procession. The road was filled with people. I'm sure people have seen those videos. So even the neighboring people, the people who were working there, everywhere, the entire Abu almost came. She did a lot of things for the poor. She would give clothes. The Dadi would give blankets to the workers. And so all the workers, like the maid, and they would. She would also call them to feed from the village. Sometimes, no, they would fill things in the trucks and buses and serve the villages. So she once called all the Mahatmas, and they cooked everything in pure ghee. She had a very generous and a big heart. And the best thing is, she did nothing personally. She will give her, there was no personal interaction. She's like, oh, my student or my thing. And she would say, bring the box of Toli and give it. But she never did something personal. Never with anyone. She had any personal contact like that.
सभी दादियाँ दीदी साथ में भोजन करते थे ना, जैसे
all didis and dadis ate together. Dadi's cottage, Dadi Gulzarit, Dadi Janki when she was there. All the three dadis ate together. I also would go when she was there. When I was there, I would go. It was a time to meet also. So we'll eat and then we will sit. We'll have a little chit chat. We'll have some fruit. So it was like a nice gathering. Other than that, we would not get like time that we would sit. But dinner was a time or lunch was a time when we would all meet. And later, slowly, based on our diet and health, we started to make separate food in their own cottages. And
दादी प्रकाश मणि जी के अव्यक्त होने के बाद जानकी
After Dadi
दादी और
Prakash Mani
गुलजार दादी
became
का
Avyakt,
जो
then the
बहुत
role of
सारे
Dadi
ऐसे
Janki and
सुनहरे
Dadi
हुए हैं
Gulzar,
जिसके हम सब
um,
साक्षी हैं।
we have been
कितना प्रेम
witnessing
किया वो किस तरह से एक दूसरे
between
को
the
आगे
two, how
बढ़ाते
with
थे।
love, dignity,
तो
and
वो भी
respect they
बहुत
moved along together.
यादगार पल है।
That also are very
कृपया
memorable
अनुभव
moments.
हम
If
सुनाएं।
you have
दादी
any
गुलजार
memorable
बाबा
moments
का
to share with
रथ
us,
थे।
Dadi Gulzar was the chariot of Baba, and Dadi Janki was the head of the organization. So when Dadi would come to Dadi Gulzar's cottage, Dadi Gulzar would get up. When Dadi Janki would come, Dadi Gulzar would get up to receive her. And Dadi would go to class every day, Dadi Janki, and yoga. She would conduct meditation, and then about 7:45, she would go to Dadi Gulzar. So we could go to any cottage to do meditation. Sometimes we would go to Dadi Gulzar's cottage, sometimes to Dadi Janki. I would go to mostly Dadi Gulzar's cottage for meditation, and Dadi Janki would come there. They would keep each other happy, entertain. The health is going up and down, and the age was elderly. Services expanding. People were numbers were growing, but then every cottage they created a hall because big started become small. So then they created a hall at the backside because everybody
देवी
couldn't
मनोहर
meet.
दादी, शांतामणि दादी, निर्मल
Dadi
शांता
Manohar,
दादी,
Shantamani
ये
Dadi,
भी
Nirmal Shanta Dadi.
बारी बारी सभी अव्यक्त बने और
So they
बहुत
also
ही
became
यज्ञ में
Avyakt,
एक तरफ
number
विस्तार
wise.
होता गया,
And
एक
on one
तरफ
side, the
अविरक्त
yajna
जो
was
हमारे
expanding.
थे वो
On the
एडवांस
other
पार्टी
side,
में जाते
the
गए। तो
original
काफी
jewels have been
परिवर्तन होते
moving into the
गए,
advanced party. A
पर
lot of
परिवर्तन
transformation
के
has been
साथ
happening.
परिवार भी बड़ा होता गया।
Along with transformation,
दीदी
this
एक बुक
transformation,
बनाई थी द
the
स्टोरी ऑफ इमॉर्टैलिटी, बहुत
uh,
ही
there was a
इंटरेस्टिंग
book which was
क्योंकि
called The
उसमें
Story
काफी
of
कुछ
Immortality.
काफी
A
महीने
lot
लगे
of I know a lot of
तो
months
उसके
was
बारे में कुछ
invested in.
कहना चाहेंगे।
Would you like to share a little bit about the story of immortality? When we used to go to London for the call of time, we used to share knowledge. And they would say, this knowledge is very nice, but where are you getting this from? Where are you getting all this information from? And if we bring those books from India, they would not understand it very well. So we create a group of 8 to 10 people. Each one will read Murli, like one on soul, whatever is the original Nij. Someone will study about Supreme Soul. Like that, we were 8 to 10, and based on that, we will make a book based on Baba's Murlis. We would think what name to keep, what topic, and a lot of conversation. Then we said the story of immortality, Amar Katha. It took a lot of time. And Sister Judy, Sister Gayatri, everybody together joined and created it. Baba inaugurated the book. We had to print it in US. It was some to certain cost, and when they printed in Hong Kong, they were able to print double the quantity. Even when Nirver Bhai was there in Harmony Hall, Harmony House, we would still give those books. It's a nice book to give as a gift. And then when the call of time happens, those who are interested, they say you share for 3 days, but then what after that?
वीआईपीज होते हैं, जो भी वीआईपीज आते हैं
So
उन
all
लोगों
the
को मिलता है।
VIPs, we give them to we give this book to all the VIPs as well. Keep a copy or a table book. Dadi Janki say, make us small so that we can also hold it because it was big. So once we thought about it, but it takes a lot of time to write, so
दीदी
that
एक और
wasn't possible.
प्रश्न,
Another question
अभी
regarding
ये दुनिया इतनी फास्ट गति से
now
साइंस
the
को
world
अडॉप्ट
is
कर रही
moving
है।
such a fast
आप जब
speed, and it's adopting
न्याय
science.
पढ़ते थे
And
तो
when
एक
you came into
अध्याय
Yajna,
होता
there
होता
used to be just a paper and
पत्र
a pen,
व्यवहार, फिर
and
धीरे धीरे
you would have
टेलीफोन,
letter
टेलीग्राम,
content, telephone,
धीरे धीरे
telegrams.
जो
And then
90s में
slowly,
फिर
in the
कंप्यूटर्स का
90s, the
ज़्यादा
computers came
धीरे
into
धीरे डेवलप हुआ।
existence. So
2000 की
in
सदी में फिर
2000,
सेल
the
फोन,
decade of
देन
2000, then was cell
आईफोन,
phones, then iPhone,
पहले
iPad,
ईमेल्स करते
then
थे,
email
प्रिंट करके पढ़ते थे, जवाब
to
देते थे।
print those
तो ये जब से
print, and then
साइंस
so
में
as
इतनी
science
फास्ट
has
पेस में
evolved and
डेवलप हुआ, पर
developed in such a fast
स्पिरिचुअलिटी में
pace,
जब हम हैं,
but when
तो
we are into
आप इतने
spirituality,
बड़े सीनियर, फिर भी आपने कैसे उस साइंस को बाबा की सेवा में
you
कैसे
have
अडोप्ट
been
किया,
such a
कैसे
senior, and
आपने
how have you
अपनाया
adopted
और
this
सफलता प्राप्त
development
की?
into spirituality
देखो बाबा
and
यही
to
कहता था कि
experience success? So Baba
साधनों
used
को
to say,
बाबा की सेवा बढ़ाने के लिए
Baba used to always say, use the
लगाइए,
resources for enhancing
लेकिन
Baba's
एडिक्शन
service,
नहीं हो जानी चाहिए,
but
जैसे
don't
दिन
get
भर
addicted to it, that you're in
बाबा का
front of
कीर्तन
it throughout
बार
the
बार
day,
बार बार।
that again and again
एक
you're
बार
with
एक
it.
भाई थे, वो साइलेंस रिट्रीट बहुत करा,
Once there was
तो
a
एक
brother
दिन
who used to
पूछा कि
facilitate a
जितनी
lot of
बार
silence.
आप
So every
आईफोन पे
time
जाते हो या
that you
ईमेल, या
open the
उतनी बार आप
iPhone
बाबा को याद
or
करते हो।
iPhone
वो बेचारी बोली
or
नहीं
your
नहीं।
email, that many times do you remember
हाँ कि
Baba?
चलो
So
इतना
he,
तो
she
करो
said
कि
no.
जब ऑन करो तो
So he
पहले बाबा
said,
को याद करो,
okay, at least the
उनके
moment you
जमाने में
open it,
तो सभी
remember
का टीवी
Baba.
ना नया नया था, तो दिन भर
So
वो
since it
लगे ही
was
रहते
new,
थे।
they would
अभी
be
तो लोग
just
उनको
on it
लगता
all
है
the
कि ये
time.
इतना क्यों करते हैं, लेकिन फर्क तो पड़ गया ना, वो जो बाबा
There
की
was
याद
definitely a
की भावना
difference.
है।
The
दीदी
the
खास करके मैं
spiritual
बेटे के
endeavor
बारे में पूछ रही हूँ, क्योंकि आप जैसे निमित्त बनाया है बाबा ने आपको,
Baba
तो
has
काफी
made you
कम्युनिकेशन
instrument
जरूरी होता है।
for
आप लोग
there's a
पहले
lot of
ईमेल से
communication that
काफी
is necessary.
कम्युनिकेट करते थे,
Initially, it used to
पर
be
जैसे जैसे
email, but
टेक्नोलॉजी
as
बदलती गई,
technology has
आपने
been
उस अनुसार
developing,
अपने आप को
you
जोड़ा,
also,
अडॉप्ट किया और उसी
whatever you
टेक्नोलॉजी
have
के साथ आगे
adopted
बढ़े।
and you have
तो
moved with that technology,
क्या, कैसे आपने उसको अडॉप्ट किया
how did you adopt the
और
technology and
आपका
moved
दादी के
along?
साथ भी ऐसा स्वीट सा कन्वर्सेशन रहा
And you
उनकी
used to
बात
have
करते हुए?
sweet conversation with Dadi as well. Initially, I used to just
बताते थे तो
listen
कहते थे
about the
चुगली।
emails and
फिर
respond to
हमने
them.
देखा कि
And
पेपर
then I
वर्क
saw
बहुत है,
there was a lot of paperwork.
फिर हमने पढ़ना शुरू किया।
Then I started to read.
अभी भी पढ़ते ही हैं, भेजते तो नहीं
When
हैं।
I read, even
तो
now I
दादी
read, I
जानकी
don't.
ने मेरे को देखा,
So
ऑक्सफोर्ड में
Dadi
थी वो,
Janki
तो
saw me
दोनों बैठ
in
के क्या
Oxford.
करती हैं।
That what are these
मैंने
two
कहा
people
दादी
doing
मैं
sitting? That we are
पढ़ती हूँ,
doing. We are
तो मैं
reading the
क्यों नहीं पढ़
email.
सकती। तो दादी
So
को
she
एक
said,
छोटा सा आईपैड
why
लेके
can't
दिया,
I read?
उसने पढ़ना
So
शुरू कर दिया।
we gave a small iPad and she
जयंती बहन ने
started
कहा
to
मैं तो
read.
कभी नहीं पढ़ूंगी,
Jantiban
उनके
said, I will not
60
read.
70 पेजेस रोज के
She would get
प्रिंट
60 to
होते थे।
70 pages would get
फिर एक दिन वो
printed.
कहने लगी कि यार
One day
कुछ
she
तो भी
started to
करना
say,
पड़ेगा।
I need to do something about it.
अभी तो वो खुद करती भी है, इतने नहीं
Now she
मतलब बड़े
still
बड़े,
do,
छोटे
not the
मोटे
big.
ईमेल के खुद ही जवाब दे देती है।
She still
क्योंकि
responds to
जैसे
small
जैसे
emails by
का
herself
व्यवहार बढ़ता
because
है,
as
तो जो साधन
the
है ना,
expansion happens, the
तो उसका
resources
उपयोग
that
तो
are
करना ही
there,
पड़ता
we
है।
definitely have to
एक
use
बड़ा
it.
एग्जाम्पल है ना दीदी, एक
It's
तरफ हम
also like an
बहुत
exam, isn't it,
स्पिरिचुअलिटी
Didi?
में हैं,
That on one
पर
side
साथ
we're in
साथ
deep
हम दुनिया के साथ भी
spirituality, and on the other side we
अपना
have to
एल्गोरिदम
walk with the
चलाते
life,
चलते हैं,
walk
ताकि
with the world
लोगों
outside,
को
so that
लाइफ में रहते हुए स्पिरिचुअलिटी को
so
अपनाना
that people who are
का
living in this life,
सबूत मिल
um,
सके। और खास
they can get
करके
an
वैसा होता है
example
ना,
as
कई
well.
लोग ऐसा सोचते हैं ये तो हमारे
Many
लिए
people
नहीं है,
think that, oh, this is not for
पर
me,
आपने
this is not for me.
हर चीज को अपने अनुसार बना करके यूज किया।
But you
बहुत बड़ा
have
एग्जाम्पल है,
adopted
खास
it
करके दादी जानकी
for
जी को तो मैं
everything,
देखती हूँ
especially for Dadi
हर
Janki. When
चीज,
I see
क्योंकि जैसे इंग्लिश
everything,
जैसी
even to
भाषा भी
even to learn
उन्होंने
English,
अडॉप्ट की।
she adopted the
नहीं
language
आता
of
था,
English.
कुछ
She
भी
didn't
पढ़े
know.
लिखे नहीं थे,
She's
फिर
never
भी सब
read
कुछ
anything, and
अडॉप्ट
still
किया।
she was able
एक
to
चीफ
adopt.
मिनिस्टर आया था,
A chief minister
उसने
had
अपने
come.
भाषण में कहा कि
In his speech, he
अब
shared
हम लोगों
that
की मुरली जो है ना, वो सारी
those
दुनिया
days
में
are
सबको
Murli.
मुरली मिलती है।
Nowadays, how we all get
तो
Murli.
पहले ऐसे नहीं जाती थी। वो कहता
Those
था इन
days we were.
लोगों ने
This is not the way.
टेक्नोलॉजी
So
लेटेस्ट यूज करके
he
स्पिरिचुअलिटी
shared that they have used the
सबको
latest
स्प्रेड करने का
technology and they have
सिलसिला
spread
उनका शुरू कर
spirituality
दिया।
all over. This
अभी सभी जगह
organization has
सेरेमनी
really used the
करते हैं,
latest technology to
मुरली
spread
भेजना ये सब
spirituality.
इवन ट्रांसमिशन
So even for the
सारे
Baba's
आदान प्रदान
transmission, we used
सब
technology.
देखते हैं, हम सारे वर्ल्ड में
So
देखते हैं।
तो
everybody in
इतना
the
ही नहीं,
world are able to
पर
witness it.
समहाउ बाबा ने, दादियों ने आपको
So
ऐसी
Dadis and
सेवाओं के लिए भी
Baba,
निमित्त बनाया,
Baba
आईटी के
also has
लिए,
made you
जैसे
instrument for IT
अलग
as
अलग
well.
जो भी बनाए गए सेवा के लिए प्रोग्राम।
So whatever for
क्योंकि
seva they've made
आईटी
them.
फिर एक पूरी डिपार्टमेंट बनी ना।
IT is a big
अब उसमें क्या
department.
हो जाता था,
And then
कितना
what would
आगे
happen in
बढ़े
that?
हैं,
How much
मीटिंग्स
move?
होती,
So
बहुत
many
कुछ।
meetings would happen.
तो दादी जानकी के पास
Dadi
आते थे
Janki, they would come to Dadi
अप्रूवल
Janki
कई
for
चीजों का। तो
approval
दादी
for
मुझे
many
कहती है,
things.
मैं
So
तो
Dadi would tell me
समझती
that
नहीं हूँ,
I
तुम
wouldn't
करो।
understand, you do it.
और मेरा मशीनरी से कम फ्रेंडशिप है।
And I have less
मुझे
friendship
अच्छा
with
अच्छा मिलता
missionary.
था, किसी को दे दो, ये जो
If
यूज
somebody would
करे
give me
उसको दे
anything, I
देती
would
थी।
just pass it on to other people because she
फिर
has
दादी
she
कहती
said I'm
देखो
less friends
नहीं
with
करना
missionary.
होगा, मैं
Daddy
फिर
said no,
करेंगे,
you will have to
समझने
do.
की कोशिश करेंगे।
So I said okay, I'll try to understand it.
तो आईटी का था, फिर दो
So it was
पब्लिशिंग
about
कंपनी,
IT, and there were two
एक लंदन
publishing
में एक
company.
ऑस्ट्रेलिया में।
One
अभी तो
was in
लोग पढ़ते
Australia, and
हैं,
one is
कम हो
London.
गया।
Nowadays,
पहले तो
people
नई नई
read a
किताबें
less. Those days,
छपती
we
थी,
used to have a
बहुत
lot of new
बिकती थी।
books, and they would sell also a
तो
lot.
फिर कहने लगी आप ये
And
दोनों
then they
हैं,
would say,
देखो
both of you are
प्राइस
there,
अच्छा है वो। तो फिर
take
मेरे
care
को
of the
पब्लिशिंग में
prices,
लिया।
look into it. And
फिर धीरे धीरे
slowly,
फिल्म्स का बहुत हो गया, जो
there were a lot of
पब्लिशर है।
films,
तो वो
movies,
कहने लगे फिल्म भी तो इसके साथ ही है, तो मेरे पास
books,
फिल्म
and
का भी
movies.
हो गया। हम लोग
So I started
फिल्म
to become
अप्रूव करना,
instrumental to approve different
स्क्रिप्ट अप्रूव
movies,
करना,
approve the
चल
script
तो
and
रहे
approve the
सब।
movie, and
फिर
we kept
मैंने
doing.
कुछ साल पहले उनको
And
बोला,
few
अभी भी इस
years
बार आईटी
back,
वाले
I
कहते
said,
हैं कि
this
आप
time
क्यों
also
नहीं
the ITs
ऐसा
were saying,
करते हो। मैं
aren't you able to, are you
मैं
not
उनको बोलूं
rejoining
कि
again?
देखो
I said,
मैं
no,
नहीं कर सकती ना, क्योंकि
now I won't be able to do
अपनी
it
एनर्जी मैं इसमें नहीं
because
लगा सकती।
I can't put my
तो
energy
जो
into
जो
it now.
यज्ञ में मिला वो हमने
So whatever we got
संभाल
received
कर
in the
अपनी
yajna,
ड्यूटी पे जाएगी।
in whatever way I could fulfill the duty, I
यदि
did.
हमने जब ये सीरीज शुरू की तो आपका
When we
जन्म से
started this
लेकर के
stage, when we
आपका
started the series
बचपन, आपका
from
बाबा के पास
from
आना,
your birth, how
आपके
your
लौकिक
childhood,
परिवार को
when you came
अलौकिक
to Baba,
बनाना,
how you
आपके कई
transformed the Lokik
लौकिक
family into
परिवार
a
वाले भी
Lokik.
बाबा के
Many
भक्त
of your
बने हैं,
Lokik children,
7
family
जनरेशन
members
से
have become Baba's
पापा,
children.
मम्मा,
They've
दादियाँ,
also taken
दीदियाँ,
sustenance from you've
तो
taken
ऐसे
sustenance from
जैसे एक
Dadi,
पथ पर
Didis.
निकल पड़े आप, जहाँ
You
आपके
are on
साथ
this path
सभी दादियाँ,
where
दीदियाँ
all
थे,
the Dadis
आपके
were there,
लौकिक
the
परिवार
Didis were
वाले भी
there, your Lokik
और
family
चलते
also
चलते चलते
joined,
आज
accompanied.
कितने साल
And
बीत गए,
today, so many
60
years
से
have
भी ऊपर
passed,
हो गए
more than
और
60
इसमें
plus years.
कई दादियाँ साथ थी जो
And there
आज
were many
अव्यक्त रूप
daddies who
में
were
सेवा के लिए
together and
खड़े
now
हैं
they've become
और
Avyakt and
आपके
they're still
लौकिक
so
परिवार में भी
and even your
कई
Lokik family,
आपके लौकिक परिवार के
many
सदस्य जो बाबा के
many
बने
family
और वो
members
भी
who
अभी आज
became Baba's children have become
अव्यक्त रूप से
Avyakt.
सेवाएं दे रहे
They
हैं।
are giving the
तो
services
उस
in an
जर्नी
Avyakt form.
में हमने देखा
So in
कि
that journey, I've
जैसे
observed.
हमने दादियों के बारे में तो बात की, पर
We
जैसे
did talk
आपके
about
मामा
daddies,
को पास दादा,
about
आपकी
your
लौकिक
mama ji,
माताजी, आपके
uncle,
लौकिक भाई,
uh, your
आपके
Lokik
लौकिक
brother, your
बहनें,
Lokik
बड़ी बहन,
sisters, your big, your elder
और भी
sisters,
मासी,
y-
सभी
your
धीरे
aunt,
धीरे
all
धीरे
of them
अव्यक्त हो गए
slowly become
और
Avyakt.
जो शांति दीदी थी वो
And
भी।
Shanti
तो ये
Didi, who was
सारी
there, all
यात्रा
of them.
में जब आपने उनको अव्यक्त होते देखा
When you saw
तो
them becoming
आपकी
Avyakt,
भावनाएं, आपकी
what were your
फीलिंग्स क्या रही?
feelings? What were your feelings at
मैं तो
that
ऐसा
time?
देखती हूँ कि जो
I only observe
स्नेह और
in a
केयर
way
है,
the love
जो हमारे
and the
बड़ों से हमें
kindness
मिलती है, चाहे
that we have
लौकिक हो
received
चाहे
from
अलौकिक
our
हो।
elders, whether it's Lokik or
तो मैं
Alokik.
तो हमेशा ऐसा समझती हूँ कि वो
I would
लोग
always
अगर शरीर में
consider
नहीं है,
that
अव्यक्त
if
हैं,
they're
तो भी
not
तो
in this
देंगे।
body, if they are
तो
Avyakt,
मुझे अभी
they'll
ऐसा ही
still
अनुभव
continue
होता
to
है कि
give.
उन
I
लोगों का
still
मुझे
feel
स्नेह,
that
उन
their
लोगों की भी
love,
मेरे ऊपर दुआएं,
their
वो जैसे
blessings,
छत्र छाया है एक
it's
दोनों।
like a canopy of
तो मैं हमेशा
protection
उनको
all the time.
फरिश्ते के रूप
So
में
I
देखती
see
हूँ।
them always as an
माता जी
angel.
को भी, सबको
That's for the
देखा कि आप
mother.
लोगों ने मुझे
I was telling
बहुत कुछ दिया,
Mataji
देखो
was
आज मैं
there.
सेवा कर
You had
पा रही हूँ।
given me so much that
तो जैसे मेरे
I'm
मन में
able to
उनके
do
प्रति
whatever I'm
भावना
doing. So
है,
towards them,
और
I
मुझे
have
फीलिंग
bhavna,
आती है
feeling.
हमेशा कि वो
I
लोग
always get this
मुझे अभी
feeling
भी
that
हर प्रकार से मेरी
uh,
संभाल कर रहे हैं।
they're still taking care of me and sustaining me in that
दीदी
angelic form.
ये तो था जो आपके साथ थे और अभी अव्यक्त। अभी
So
अगर
this
आपकी
were the
जर्नी
people
को
who were
देखें
with you
तो
and
विदेश
became
में
Avyakt.
जाएं,
So even in
जैसे
the
जयंती
foreign
दीदी, धीरे धीरे
service
गायत्री
like
बहन,
Jayanti
कला
Ben,
बहन,
Gayatri Ben,
तो
Kala
और
Ben,
बहनें,
and all
बहुत
many
सारा
other
नाम ले सकते हैं,
sisters, I
पर
can take a lot of names.
सभी जो सीनियर भाई बहन है वो
So all the
आज जो
seniors,
आपके साथ हम
sister,
सब बैठे हैं
and we are all
वो भी
sitting in
एक
front
एक
of
एक
you.
एक
slowly, one by one, they joined you on this journey. And one side, people are becoming avyakt, and on the other side, the younger ones started to join you. It's a big, unlimited tree. It's difficult to even count. There are so many of us are there together. What are your feelings towards us? We're all together on a journey. So what happens in a journey? When you have a good company, the journey is good. So good company means a knowledgeable soul, a yogi soul, which you all are good. You all move along with sensibility. I have learned from Baba that child, whatever action you do, you don't have to say it. Some people say don't learn. They will learn when they see that you're doing it. So I remember Kalaben came, first Gayatri Ben came, then Kalaben came. So Ramesh Bhai, when he would come, he would share. You have got very good companions who are well educated. So that means you know how to move along with your companions. So everybody,
लेकिन मेरा संघर्ष नहीं होता कोई भी मुझे ऐसा लगता है
I never struggled with anything.
हम राइट करते रहे जैसे वो लोग भी राइट करें पर इसमें कोई ऐसी बात नहीं है जिसमें हम क्लैश करें कोई भी
There was no such a thing where there was a clash or a conflict. Even if I was in Madhuban, no matter who the Sevadari may be, give them love. They are happy. If they want some small or big salvation, then we give. Let everybody be happy. Let us all keep moving along happily until the end. Let us have the sanskar of giving happiness to one another. So everybody is good. Whoever we get as companions are good. Everybody says you get very good centers and you also get very good companions. No. As is our energy and as it keeps becoming Sato Guni pure, accordingly you get people and the cooperation of elements as well. And I still remember a few days back, Prakashmani, sorry, Jayantiban did a class. We are Sato, now we have to be Sato Pradhan. And that Sato Pradhan energy will automatically do its task. So now it is time is up. But tomorrow we'll take a subject from you. Everybody they start their Brahmin life. So as we start climbing at a different level, we get different situation. And I have seen that you have passed many different test papers, whether it's relationship, whether it's body, whether it was service places, whether it's companions, or whether it's environment, obstacles.
आपने हर प्रकार का विघ्न देखा भी है, पार भी किया है, और जैसे एक अनुभव की बहुत ऊंचाई पर आप खड़े हैं.
And you have reached at a very elevated altitude of experience. So we would like to listen from you. So now today we'll do 15 minutes. We'll do special yoga, especially the situation in Los Angeles. So we'll give special meditation. So it's our humble request that stay together and let's do Mansa Seva together. And Moini Didi is going to guide us. Om Shanti.